Hello everyone. Today I will share with you one of my favorite comfort food, fish porridge. I found many different fish porridge recipes made of sliced fish, but I haven't found a porridge recipe with fresh fish floors. Fish floors porridge is indeed better than fish slice porridge. Every spoonful has the smooth and delicious taste of the fish. This is the best fish porridge I ever had. And today, we use a stew pot to cook, which helps me save time and energy. Let's get started. I have 3 cups of rice here, washed already, a fresh tilapia, about 2 pounds, head and tail removed. I'll steam cook the fish later. You can use boneless frozen fish fillets instead, so you don't need to pick out the bones later. I like to use the whole fish even though I have to spend time to pick the bones out because it tastes better. Also, we will have 1 to 2 dried bean curd sticks, a few pieces of ginger, half tangerine peel soaked in water for a few minutes, 1½ teaspoon salt, 2 teaspoons olive oil. To prepare for porridge, add salt to the rice and stir well. Set it aside for a few minutes. Meanwhile, scrape off the white sac from the tangerine peel with a knife. If the tangerine peel is more than 10 years old, you don't need to remove the white sac because it's not bitter anymore if it's old enough. Now you can put oil in the rice. Marinating rice with salt and oil will make the porridge more delicious and smooth. Bring a pot of water to boil. Put ginger and tangerine peel in. Add bean curd sticks. Add rice. Stir well. Wait for the water to boil again. Keep it boiling for 5 minutes. Cover the lid. Put it into the stew pot. The porridge will continue to be cooked in the stew pot. We will let it cook at least 1 hour. Now we will steam cook the fish. Rub some oil on the fish inside out and put a few slices of ginger on it. When the water is boiling, steam cook the fish for 12 minutes. If you made it with fresh fish, wait for the fish to cool down a little bit before picking the bones. After that, add seasoning to the fish floors. Stir well. You can then put it into the fridge while waiting for the porridge to be ready. An hour later, take the porridge out of the stew pot, put it on the stove, and bring it to boil. Keep stirring it when cooking. You will see the porridge becoming very smooth. Add the fish floors. Stir well. Add green onion. A pot of delicious fish porridge is ready. The fish porridge is filled with the sweetness of the fish in every bite. If you have some fried wontons as a side dish, then it will be the best comfort food in the cold winter time. Thank you for watching my video today. I really appreciate your support to my channel. Please give me a like, comment, share with others, and subscribe. See you next week.